Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're a marathon subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm making an effective smoothie for weight loss using these three ingredients: apple, pears, and one banana. Okay guys, first I'm going to prep up my banana. I'm going to cut it. Now that my banana is prepped, I'm going to put them to the side. Next I'm going to prep up my apple. Okay guys, my apple's now prepped. Okay guys, now time to prep up my pear. Okay guys, now that all my ingredients are prepped, it's now time to put them into my speed blender. Okay guys, first goes in my pear. Next goes in my apples. And finally my banana. I'm going to add some water and cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. I'm now going to cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, this is my freshly blended up pear and banana smoothie for weight loss. I'm now going to serve it. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss. Be served as a breakfast smoothie. so you can make this in the busy mornings. Let me know in the comment section which country you're watching me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.